I'm here at Tractor Supply to buy chicken feed. My brother and sister-in-law were kind enough to keep my girls at their place, and part of the bargain was that we would take turns buying the chicken food. When we finish here, I'm heading over to their place to drop off the feed. I will show you where the girls are staying now and give you a quick tour of the garden area. So this is the cute little coop. And this is the girls' run. As you can see, I have already fed them. There they are. That's Daisy. And there's Maddie. And they're happy in their cute little coop. Let me show you the rest of the garden. Those windows are for a windowed greenhouse that my brother's building for my sister-in-law. And he's got the frame all set up here under this gorgeous wisteria right near the fire pit. And then on the other side of the yard, isn't this sweet? I love this old house. Okay, the other side of the yard is our garden. Well, it's really technically their garden, but they let me play here. This is grapes. Little chimenea. They come out here and do their quiet time, their Bible study. This is what we have been working on. So we have lots of chili peppers. We've started. This here will be tomatoes. And then here along the fence line are beans and cucumbers, and this is the onion patch that I just planted. So over here is where the pumpkins and the squash will go in. So all in all, it's very, very charming. And I cannot wait to show you. I've planted all kinds of wildflower seeds and just lots of stuff. It'll be so beautiful and functional. And I'm so blessed. Like my husband said, I really didn't have to give up anything. And God found me everything. Plus family. Which I didn't realize I was sorely lacking. I shared today to open your eyes to the possibilities to grow food no matter where you live. There are ways to do it. Sometimes you just have to think out of the box. I knew I wanted to grow lots of vegetables, and I didn't want to have to give up my chickens. So I reached out to my brother. And he was kind enough to, number one, house my chickens for me, but number two, come up with a solution that worked for both of us. I have some knowledge in gardening that I can share with him. Plus, I started a lot of the plants that we put in there. I have chicken knowledge that I am able to share, and like I said, I am splitting the feed cost with him, and in return, my chickens have a home. I have fresh eggs. They have fresh eggs. They can go on vacation and they know I'm going to be there to pick up whatever slack there might be. The second thing is my little plot here is literally my side yard. Now, it's a generous side yard. I am not going to deny that, but I am going to need to be creative because it's concrete. I've never gardened on concrete before, so I have some ideas. I'll share them. Successes or failures, you will see them with me. That's really all I have for you today. These kind of vlogs are probably what you're going to see from me because this is such a busy time of year. And yes, we will get back in the kitchen eventually, but mostly in the spring, it's all about the gardening, getting the things in that you want to have in. The rest of it, the canning, the preserving, the recipes, that's all going to come later when the garden's thriving on its own or when the garden winds down, and then we'll get into that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed this. I want to thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.